Now remember, honey, this train contains very hazardous materials which are really likely to explode, so I want to make sure that you are safe. Okay? Of course, honey. I've been working around hazardous material all my life, and I've never once made a mistake. And I'll be safe. I'll be sure. Don't worry, honey. I'll be fine. Okay, well, good luck. Okay, Jack. You're gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. The train's gonna be fine. Your dad's gonna be fine. Your love is gonna be fine. I'm gonna be fine. I'll be all set. Okay, boys, we're all set and ready to go. First, the missiles. Okay, Jack, I think you're ready to go. Thanks. Wait a minute. Hold on. Shush, I hear something. Sounds like... Oh, no. Jack, get out of the way! Oh, God. Come on, go, 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 go! I do hope you're okay. We'll definitely start repairing this right now. Okay, Jack, just stay calm. Nothing bad's gonna happen to you. The place is gonna be repaired. And what is the worst that could happen? Oh no! What the hell just happened? Sir, the train just hit a rock so hard that, it derailed just now. That's great. Now, bombs away. What is happening right now, and why is it happening? Wait a minute, what the... Oh, no. Ugh.